how to fix Prizepicks not working. So what we want to do is just go to our phone settings, and here from the settings we will search for iPhone storage. Now after we have typed out iPhone storage, we will click on the option that pops up right here, and you want to find your Prizepicks app. I'll just do this for Brawl Stars, but you can do this for the Prizepicks app. So just click on the app itself, so Prizepicks, and you will select offload app. Then just confirm the offload, and afterwards you will see an option reinstall app. This isn't going to remove your account or anything like that. It's gonna keep your documents and data, and it's just going to reinstall the application and verify the integrity of the files. So once we have done this, just wait for the process to finish, and this should fix your Prizepicks app not working. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.